You know, some recipes are just food. But some feel like a warm hug wrapped in ghee and sugar. This is Nankhatai, the OG Desi cookie with a passport older than the country. Born in the 16th century, in a little bakery in Surat. When a Dutch guy messed up and a Desi genius fixed it. Basically the origin story of every great Indian snack. Flour, sugar, ghee, nothing fancy. But when they come together, it's like a family reunion in your mouth. It's weird how something so simple can hold so much. Memories of tin boxes that never opened quietly. Of stolen bites before chai was even poured. Of grandma's saying, "Don't eat now, wait till guests come." But you already had 3. Hot from the oven. Still soft inside. Crumbly like all our childhood secrets. Nankhatai isn't a trend, it survives trends. While the world is out there chasing matcha this and charcoal that, this humble little cookie is just chilling. Like, I've been here for 400 years, I'm not going anywhere. And you know what's wild? Every home has its own version. Some with besan, some with maida, some with suji. Some with nuts, some with nuski. No one agrees, and no one needs to. Because each version is right. That's what makes it so perfect. You don't just eat Nankhatai. You break it with your fingers. You pair it with chai. And time slows down just enough to notice the moment. It's not about impressing anyone. It's not about precision or perfection. It's about pausing, taking a breath, and realizing, this one bite? It's soft enough to quiet the noise. It's sweet enough to make you forget your screen for a second. And the best part? You don't need anything fancy to make it. No stand mixer. No imported chocolate. Just some basic ingredients and a whole lot of love. And okay, maybe a ridiculous amount of ghee. But that's between us. So whether you're baking this for a festival, or just because your soul said, let's do something cozy today, remember, this isn't just a cookie. It's a feeling. A soft, golden, nostalgic little bite of Desi joy. The kind that cracks on top, melts in the middle, and stays in your memory long after the last crumb is gone. So here's to old school recipes that still slap. To grandmas who never measured anything but always nailed it. And to moments that taste like home. This is Nankhatai. You know what's crazy? Some things just hit different when you grow up with them. This isn't just a cookie, it's a memory. Every crack on top. That's how you know it's real. No measuring cups back then, just vibes and experience. Ghee, sugar, a little patience, and boom, magic. It's the kind of snack that doesn't need an occasion. Every recipe has a story, and here at Next Bite Studio,